Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Daniel here at Performance Honda, and today I'm bringing you the 2023 Honda Odyssey Elite. Starting up front on the Elite, it does come standard with the rain sensing windshield wipers as well as Honda sensing. Moving down below to the headlights, these are full LED headlights, and you also get parking sensors and LED fog lights. Now coming around to the side of the Elite, first thing you notice is these 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in the all-season tires. Moving up from there, you got your power folding heated outside mirrors with auto dimming and blind spot monitoring. The door handles on this Elite are going to be keyless entry, so the keys never have to leave your pocket. That also includes your sliding back door here as well. Now coming around to the back of the Elite, you are going to get your LED tail lights as well as your parking sensors down below. And let's say your hands are full, it also comes with a hands-free power liftgate. Now taking a look at the back of the Odyssey here, it does come with the stowing magic seats, which means you can easily convert these into a nice bench. Let's just say you need to tie your shoes up or get ready for a hike, but these also can lie completely flat, which gives you enough cargo space for any of your needs. Moving inside the Elite, first thing you notice is your heated steering wheel with the paddle shifters built right in, and your heated and ventilated front seats wrapped in leather. Moving over here to the center display, it's an 8-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, you got your 3-way climate control as well as your gear selector. Moving below that, you got your Blu-ray disc drive, which controls your 10-inch display up here. And built right into the display is Cabin View, which lets you view what's happening in your back seats right here on your center screen. Once again, guys, this has been the 2023 Honda Odyssey Elite. And if you guys have any questions or would like to order one, please give us a call.